Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about a track recording app called Ewok. What's good about this app is that it works offline and is available on both iOS and Android. The developers provide a full video guide on using Ewok, so in this tutorial I will cover only the what3words function. So let's get into it. There are two ways you can discover three-word addresses in Ewok. You can either long press anywhere on the map until you see a pop-up with the traditional street address, as well as lat long coordinates along with the three-word address at the bottom. Or if you already know the three-word address, you can search it by clicking on the search button right here and enter your three-word address. The auto-suggest appears by the time you enter the third word, helping you avoid mistyping. Select the correct one and you are ready to record your track using what3words in Ewok. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.